Getting curves, contours, and clean edges on intricate shapes doesn't have to be a hassle. The Triton TSPS450 is a stable oscillating spindle sander and powerful benchtop tool, with a cast iron top perfect for controlled material removal on intricate shapes. If you're looking for precision and consistency, the TSPS Oscillating Spindle sander would be a great addition to your workshop, equipped with a range of spindles ready to swap out to match the curvature needed for the job. A key feature of this sander is its dual action spindle, rotating and oscillating vertically, giving a more even sanding action. This helps to reduce static friction, decreasing burning and band marks for a high quality finish, and helping your sleeves last longer. A reliable 450 watt motor delivers consistent sanding power and quiet performance during sanding, capable of taking on a range of hard and soft woods, and ideal for longer sanding sessions without fatigue. With increased efficiency, you'll get significantly faster results than by hand sanding, and more control for intricate work than with belt or orbital sander. A large 370 by 295mm solid cast iron top provides a stable surface to support your workpieces, no matter the size, for safer sanding. Supplied with 6 80 grit sanding sleeves ranging from 13 to 76mm, plus matching rubber drums, you can select the best diameter for the job. Whether it's refining tight inside curves or smoothing larger contours, you'll get superior and more accurate results. Each sanding drum comes with its own matching table insert. This creates a completely flat sanding surface for even more stability and improved dust extraction. Onboard storage for all accessories means everything you need is right to hand, and swapping between spindle sizes is as easy and convenient as possible. Locating holes in the corner of the tool allow you to fix it firmly to the worktop for secure bench mounting and a more solid sanding experience. Fitted with a 35mm inner and 39mm outer dust extraction port and an additional 39mm by 100mm adapter, mean the TSPS450 will effortlessly fit into any extractor or vac setup you may have. Efficient dust extraction reduces heat buildup and overheating of the sandpaper, which can lead to wood burn. On the front there is an easy to use power switch with a dust cover to help extend the life of the tool, providing peace of mind. The TSPS450 has a 450 watt motor, does 58 oscillations per minute with a 16mm stroke length. A 370 by 295mm table size, comes with 13, 19, 26, 38, 51 and 76mm sanding sleeves, and a no-load speed of 2000 revolutions per minute. If you work with curves, profiles or custom templates, the TSPS450 takes the manual effort out of edge sanding and gives you pro-level results in a fraction of the time. The large cast iron table supports your workpiece and reduces fatigue so you can sand for longer, and with built-in storage means everything is easy to access and your workshop remains organized. All that makes the Triton TSPS450 Oscillating Spindle Sander compact, capable and built to handle those awkward sanding jobs with ease. It's a go-to tool when accuracy on curves really matters.